This is where my truck's gonna get its fixins'. This is cool. Look at how cool this is. So pretty soon, real soon, I'm gonna have my bad boy in here. They're gonna bring it on in, and they're gonna say, Shazam! And they're gonna fix my poor little key truck over there. And it's gonna be right here in the Hall of Fame workshop. I mean, this is so cool, guys. Come on. Isn't this cool? So I'll keep you posted when they finally get it in here. Look at this place. I mean, who has a toolbox like this? A guy that loves his tools? I thought I loved my tools, but wow, this place just blows my pea brain. I can hardly believe it. It's so cool. What a great outing today. I'm having a blast. You're gonna die laughing. I'm telling you, I haven't seen this stuff in years. This is so cool. Who does this? Only in North Carolina. This is such a killer rollaway. Mac Tools, the best in the world. Okay, he wants me to open the drawer. Oh my goodness, look at this good stuff. Oh, you know what? A man and his tools. Look at this stuff. He is so proud of these. Hooray for him. Where in the world do you ever see racks and racks and racks of springs? And I'm not kidding you. Look at this. This is crazy. I mean, it's spring heaven. I feel like, summer has sprung and this is spring. Look at this. It goes on forever. I mean, I could throw a volleyball over there and hit a spring. Look at this. What's in here? More goodies. Look at, oh, what a shot. What a shot. I don't really want my truck fixed. I just want to spend the day here. I'm having too much fun. And they're gonna have my truck in here before I know it. Oh no. And look at, they're gonna put these bad boys on. Oh, Monroe, the best in the world. And I think they're gonna do a good job. What do you guys think? I think so. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way, especially stuff working on my beautiful key truck.